this is the top of my hope chest that I'm refinishing. So we're gonna practice together. Okay, got it. And then mix. So on the Country Chic website, they say you go with the grain and then you get a wet cloth. Wait, a wet cloth and wipe it. So we're gonna try one little section to see. So don't mind my phone ringing. I don't ever answer that phone. Does anyone else have a phone that you're like, no, just for emergency purposes? They said 75%, meaning you don't have to get the whole thing done. Okay, I'm gonna wipe. Oh. And you just keep going with each layer. You just take a little bit of the wax. Here you go. And you just okay, so since I didn't even really know what look I was going for, I was just trying to fiddle around because I knew I could resand it. This is what happens after I whitewashed it and then added the antiquing wax. And I think I'm digging it. Generally, you're not supposed to cross brands, so I cheated. But it's what I had and I didn't want to go to the store, and so I just kind of fiddled. But I feel like if you look up really close, the wood looks really nice and much better than what it was before. So I'm happy. And finally, when I clean my brushes, I love this brush soap from Country Chic. So just a really great option for you, keeps your brushes lasting longer.